Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are presenting you a perfect weekend getaway from Bangalore. So follow along till the end of the video to know more about the place. Dandiganahalli Dam is located within 80 to 90 kilometers from Bangalore, thus making it a perfect weekend getaway for all Bangaloreans. There are multiple routes that you can take to reach Dandiganahalli Dam. One popular route is from Bangalore. You go via the NH, which covers through airport Devanahalli, enter Chikballapur, and from there you can go to Dandiganahalli Dam. The other route is you take the Dodballapur route. So from Bangalore, Yelahanka, Dodballapur, and after that you get a place called Tondebavi. So there you take a right turn which goes to Manchenhalli. From Manchenhalli, it's around 15 kilometers. Since this place is nestled between green hills and greenery surrounded all around, this makes it a beautiful place to relax and rejuvenate. My in-laws, that is Mahima's parents, stay in a beautiful village near Gauri Bidanur. Since we stayed there the previous night, it was pretty easy for us to reach Dandiganahalli as it took very less time. And we took the Manchanhalli route, and the road traverses through multiple villages and beautiful greenery all around. You also encounter roadblocks such as goats and sheep. Just after you cross the Brahmagiri Jain Mutt, you get the Manchenalli Lake towards your left hand side. There is a huge and a beautiful lake, and it is mostly filled during monsoons. So it's a great place for picnic. So this lake is seen just before Dandiganahalli Dam. The Manchinalli Lake and the Dandiganahalli Dam is one of the major water sources of Chikballapur district. It also caters the water needs of many villages in this area. There is a small bridge towards the end of the lake, and this particular tank bund road will lead you to that bridge. Dandiganahalli Dam is perfect for a short outing. You can swing by and hone your photography skills, and this place is also great for spotting colorful birds. You can also trek around the premises. However, you'll have to carry your own food and water since there is nothing much to offer here. If you are bringing a picnic basket or a pack of lunch, please ensure that you do not litter the place and ensure nature is kept at its finest best always. Be careful when you're taking selfies on this bridge. There are high chances that your phone may slip down into the water because there are multiple gaps in the bridge, in the railings of the bridge. Also, don't lean too much on the railings. It's a pretty old bridge and you never know what's going to happen. So always be careful and enjoy nature. Except for the small shop, there are no much food items available in the vicinity. So ensure that you carry your food needs accordingly.
ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಜಾಗ?
If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please follow our Instagram links for more updates on the places we visit. And if you like reading, then you can follow this link to see my blog. Thank you.